Okay, next up, this awesome student is gonna fill us in on what it's like to be a dental hygienist in training at Penn College. Dacia and her classmates get a chance to put their skills to work in the dental clinic that's located right here on campus. It's open to the community, including students who can get $5 cleanings. Tell us all about it, Dacia.
I'm so happy to be here with you today. Thank you so much, Alex. When I was a little girl in Jamaica, dental care was expensive and hard to access. This motivated me to earn the best education so that I could help my community one day. Now I'm studying dental hygiene. The nursing and health sciences programs at Penn College are open to students at any phase of their journey, from transfers and adult learners to international students. Whether you are a nursing, physician assistant, paramedic, physical therapist assistant student, our supportive teachers, campus resources, and state-of-the-art equipment will aid you in developing your knowledge and relevant skill set to prepare you for future employment. The dental hygiene program is fortunate to have a community clinic service where we can gain real-world experience. On campus, we have a beautiful clinic that accepts people from all over for dental cleanings. On Sealant Saturdays, Penn College works with local dentists and hygienists to provide free dental services to dozens of children that come in. The safety of the patient and overall sanitation is extremely important. We have personal protective equipment that protects us and ensures the safety and comfort for all patients. Classes are challenging, but every teacher holds regular office hours for us to get help. At Penn College, I'm not only learning techniques for cleaning teeth and learning x-ray skills, but also how to make a change in the lives of every person we come across, which makes my NHS program unique. I'm enjoying my work while working towards my dreams. So Alex, it's been really amazing to be here with you today. Thank you so much for having me and learning about my story at Penn College. What's next?
What an awesome story with all that passion and hands-on experience. It sounds like you're on your way to a rewarding career, Dacia. Thank you so much for sharing your story.